Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm going to be answering a question most people want to know. How much money do you need to start trading with Forex? So let's get started. So the thing is, there are different services, and there are different brokers, and they ask different deposits to start opening your account. But before we do that, what we have to answer a couple of questions. For example, what kind of trader you want to become? Whether you want to be just a hobby trader, whether you want to be a professional trader, or you just want to try it out and see how it works out for you. So the underlying question is, what kind of strategy will you be applying? Whether you want to be doing a fundamental trader, or you want to be a more technical trader. And then here, so you want side income, you want to become a professional trader. And then the next question is, what kind of trades will you be doing? Longs or shorts? This question will be more like, how long will you be trading for? So, or you want to do trade for short term. The next question is, what size of trades will you be doing? Large trades or small trades? The next question you want to ask yourself, what time frame do you, or I should say, how much time do you want to put in it? So this could be less than 20 hours a week or more than 20 hours a week. Now keep in mind that, maybe I should write here, less than, I should say, 5 hours a week is not trading. Okay, so if you think you're going to trade less than 5 hours by yourself, analyzing the charts and doing some fundamental chart analysis, less than 5 hours a week, it's not going to do any profitable return. You might get lucky, but if you want to put less than 5 hours, then it's not a good idea. So at least have more than 5 hours a week dedicated to trading, and that's a good start. So the next question is, how much money are you willing to lose? So are you okay to try out to lose up to, let's say, $200, up to $500, up to $1,000? So this will have some sense. So in the beginning, when you start trading, you will always lose. So points to know. In start, all new traders lose, always. Okay. And then the winning traders, take it slow and don't do many trades. So when you start trading, don't do a lot of trades. Take it slow. Take it slow. Again, I write it here. So take it slow. Take it slow. Learn as much as you can. So that's my second point. Use a demo account to test. Okay, so then you can, the answer is you can start trading with Forex with zero money, or I should say zero money, by using a demo Forex account. Afterwards, when you have learn a bit, then you can put in your money, you can convert, or you can upgrade your account from demo to a real trading account. So you do not need any money to start trading. So there's a lot of learning. We have a course and we also have an ebook which you can download on easytradingschool.com. We also provide email support to our members. You can register at easytradingschool.com, and I hope to see you in the course. Take care. See you again. Goodbye.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.